Hey everyone, welcome back to YouTech. I'm seriously thrilled about today's video because we're diving into something absolutely groundbreaking. Let me introduce you to Higgsfield Recast, one of the most impressive AI-powered tools I've come across lately. With this platform, you can instantly swap characters and voices in your videos within just a few minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Full body character replacement with realistic motion tracking and AI-driven dubbing that looks incredibly lifelike. This isn't just about face swapping. Higgsfield Recast captures your entire body movement, your gestures, and even your voice, powered entirely by next-gen AI. It's not some basic overlay or a quick visual filter. This is complete motion cloning with natural physics that make your video look filmed, not faked. The system tracks every subtle detail, from your posture and hand gestures to those micro expressions that bring realism to life, and converts them into a perfectly rendered new identity. You'll get results that genuinely feel like high-end studio footage, but produced in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through how Higgsfield Recast completely revolutionizes the way creators make videos. I'll be showing you how to swap between 30-plus characters, change entire backgrounds with a single click, and even clone or dub your own voice into multiple languages, all from a browser-based studio. Honestly, this is the first time I've seen AI get full-body realism so right. No awkward hand flickers, no broken motion, and no uncanny valley effects, just smooth, natural movement and accurate facial expressions. Whether you're a YouTuber, a faceless creator, a filmmaker, or someone simply experimenting with AI visuals, Higgsfield Recast will save you hours of editing and thousands in production costs. So, let's jump right in and test how real these swaps feel, and find out whether AI has finally reached cinematic quality. The link to try out Higgsfield Recast is available in the description below, so make sure you check it out after watching this tutorial. First of all, you'll need to create a free account on the official Higgsfield website. Once you're signed in, you'll see a dedicated section called Recast. This is where the real transformation begins. Simply click on the Recast tab, and here's where you can replace characters in any video with just one click. It's that easy. This single feature opens up endless creative possibilities for content creators, filmmakers, advertisers, and social media storytellers. Let's go ahead and test it out together. I'll start by uploading a sample video. You can see the upload progress right here. Next, I'll upload an image of the character I want to use as a replacement for the person in the video. Once both files are uploaded, all I need to do is hit Generate Video and let the AI work its magic. And just look at this result. The character has been perfectly swapped. The blend looks natural, the motion is smooth, and there are no visible editing marks, no complex video software, no manual adjustments, just pure AI automation. And the best part? You can instantly download your generated video with a single click. Now, let's explore the full Recast Studio, which unlocks even more advanced customization tools. Once you click on Try Full Recast Studio, you'll notice tons of creative options. You can choose from different pre-made characters, male, female, models, actors, influencers, or even upload your own photo for a personalized identity swap. Next up, my favorite section, the voice and dubbing panel. This is where the fun really starts. You can either add a brand new AI-generated voice or dub your existing video into multiple global languages. Click on All, and you'll see a wide range of AI voice presets you can preview before applying. Each voice has a different tone and accent.
Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. The stillness of the evening was pierced by the sudden wail of a distant siren. And so it begins.
Fitness is the key to a happy and healthy life. Rivers stretch their arms to the sea's open embrace.
So you can pick what best fits your content style. Just imagine recording a single video once and then translating and dubbing it into 5 or 6 different languages for your international audience. That's a game changer for global reach. And it doesn't stop there. Higgsfield Recast also lets you change your background effortlessly. Whether you're filming with a green screen or want to completely replace your environment with a digital scene, it's incredibly simple. Just upload your preferred background or choose one from the library, click Generate, and you're done. Within minutes, your character, voice, and background are all replaced, giving you a totally fresh, AI-generated version of your video. Now, let's go over the pricing plans, because this is where Higgsfield really stands out in terms of value. The basic plan starts at $9 per month. Great for beginners or occasional creators, the Pro plan costs around $17.40 per month, billed annually. Perfect for regular video editors. The Ultimate plan begins at $29 per month, offering higher credits and access to premium features. And finally, the Creator plan, priced at $149 per month, gives you up to 6,000 credits, while the Ultimate plan includes 1,200 credits. You'll get full access to advanced models like Google Nano, Banana, Seedream 4.0, and Imagination, making your videos more realistic and diverse. So, whether you're a beginner experimenting with AI video tools or a professional filmmaker, there's a plan that fits perfectly. To wrap it all up, Higgsfield Recast is a total game changer for video creators. With instant character swaps, realistic voice dubbing, and smart background editing, you can turn any simple clip into a cinematic AI masterpiece within minutes. If you're passionate about AI creativity or love experimenting with new video tools, this platform will absolutely blow your mind. Don't forget, the link to try Higgsfield Recast is in the description below. Give it a try after watching this video and see what kind of amazing results you can create. And as always, if you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future AI reviews and tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.